Okay, this is from worksheet number 3, and we're looking at how to use the nearest neighbor method. Okay, so with the nearest neighbor, you have to be told your starting point, and we said that that was going to be A. So I'm choosing between 44, 37, 34, 35, and 39. So 34 is clearly going to work for us. Then from here, I can choose between 40, 48, 36, and 35. So 35 is clearly the next choice. Then from vertex C, I have a choice of, well, I know I can't go to 37, right? Because that would make a circuit before I'm ready. So I only have a choice of 46, 40, and 39. So I'm going to need to go from C to E. And then from E, I can only go to F or D. I only have two choices. So at F, I have a choice of 36, and to B, I have a choice of 42. I can't go back to A because that would make a circuit and we're not ready. So we're going to go to F. So plus 36. And then clearly I have to go to B because that's the only vertex that has not been visited, and then I have to go back to A. Okay, so when I add all those together, I get a number. Sorry, I lost my answer key. And it was 228 units. And if you're concerned about what the circuit is, we could say it's A, B, F, E, C, D, and then of course back to A.